This is the Hello World Podcast.
Wow.
Pandemic
Just this
kami talaga
year.
nag-grow. Yeah, just this year.
And just right on time, no? Parang your expansion just came right on time. You were expanding in February and then COVID hit us
Oo
March,
nga.
no?
Right,
What
right.
perfect timing.
Mhm.
Coach, to clarify, just to clarify, 2014, 2015 was when you started in LinkedIn? Yes, you
Yep.
were really posting a lot of content at that time. It was a daily habit.
Actually, hindi. I didn't know what I was
Okay.
doing before that.
Okay.
I was
Okay.
posting, but I didn't know exactly why I was posting. Wala pa akong branding
Mm-mm.
sense noon.
Okay.
I just
Okay.
realized that I should be taking my brand seriously in
Mm-mm.
2017 when I was featured
Mm-hmm.
on Forbes. Because the
Mm-hmm.
one who featured me on Forbes is Joe. Joe is a
Okay.
brand builder. So as a
Okay.
brand builder, I got curious, what does he do? So doon ko
Mm-mm.
inara, ito pala yung personal branding. And then I realized,
Mm-mm.
so it's personal branding that I was doing all this time. That
Mm-mm.
was when I
Mm-mm.
realized, ayun, I became more conscious of it. Noong
Mm-mm.
2014, I know the algorithm, I know how it works, but the thing is, there are always so many changes in terms of algorithms on LinkedIn,
Mm-mm.
and it changes
Mm-mm.
without notice. So,
Mm-mm.
and just knowing the algorithm and just knowing how LinkedIn works, it's not enough.
Mm-mm.
It's not enough because even if you know how it works, even if you know what time you're going to post, if
Mm-mm.
you don't have direction, if you don't have branding, if you don't know exactly what you want to be known for, you'll be scattered.
Mm-mm.
You'll be all over
Mm-mm.
the
Mm-mm.
place. And that's
Mm-mm.
not a good thing. So I know
Mm-mm.
a lot of people on LinkedIn who get a lot of traction, but they
Mm-mm.
don't get opportunities that they can convert or they can monetize.
Mm-mm.
And that's
Mm-mm.
because of the lack of clarity. Without
Okay.
clarity, nasa LinkedIn ka, wala, makiki-engage ka, makiki-comment ka,
Mm-mm.
makiki-post ka, at the end of
Mm-mm.
the day,
Mm-mm.
okay, hindi mo na mo-monetize. Kasi at the
Mm-mm.
end of the day, you really have to get something from your time. Because you're
Yes.
spending your time. In one way
Mm-hmm.
or another, it doesn't have to be money anyway. It
Correct.
doesn't have to be money. Could be opportunities that
Yes.
can help you advance your career. So
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
kaka-LinkedIn ko niyan because I was always on LinkedIn. That May 2017, a Forbes contributor saw me on LinkedIn, and
Mm-hmm.
that changed
Mm-hmm.
everything for me.
So
So,
it's not just money, no? Talagang breaks and
talaga.
even your network. Imagine you're rich in friends and so many people who can open doors and windows and a lot of other breaks for you.
And ihabol ko lang, Louie,
Go ahead.
we grow ngayon, di ba, 10 na yung members ko. We grow more than 10 times. And you
Mm-hmm.
know the reason for that. It's not it's not what I'm doing on LinkedIn now. It's what
Mm-hmm.
I had been doing on LinkedIn in the past. Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
reaping the rewards because
Wow.
many of
Wow.
these people are referrals
Mm-hmm.
of my
Mm-hmm.
network on LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
imagine I'm super grateful sa mga nasa
Mm-hmm.
network ko because they refer me. Even if they
Mm-hmm.
don't become my client, when they know someone who needs LinkedIn services,
Mm-hmm.
they will know,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I think you should contact Virginia. And that's also the
Mm-hmm.
power of branding. If you
Yes.
have clarity, you know that when people need your services, ikaw lang ang may isip nila. You stay top of mind. So yun, thankful ako sa network ko kasi referral ang nagpag-grow sa
Mm-hmm.
amin ngayong pandemic.
Mm-hmm.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.